Humanity went to the moon, photographed Mars. We can even see 13 billion years into the past of the universe. But the inside of the Earth right beneath our feet, we still can't see it. So, why don't we just drill down and look? We tried. The deepest hole humanity has ever drilled is only 12 kilometers. The Earth's radius is 6,371 kilometers. So, we haven't even reached 0.2% of the way to the center. As we go deeper, the problem isn't just distance. Heat and pressure spiral out of control. Even at 10 to 12 kilometers, temperatures reach 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. And the pressure down there? It's like placing 50 passenger airplanes on top of a single human body at the same time. Steel begins to soften. Sensors fail. Electronic systems stop working. Going any deeper. With today's technology, it's physically impossible. So if we can't see it, how do we know what's inside the Earth? The answer is earthquakes. When a major earthquake happens, it sends out seismic waves that travel through the planet. Some waves pass through certain layers, some slow down, some stop completely. We don't see the inside of the Earth. We only listen to it. And from these breaks in the sound, scientists estimate the Earth's internal layers. Based on what we know today, the Earth consists of a thin crust, a mantle filled with molten rock, a liquid outer core, and a solid inner core. But we've never seen any of them with our own eyes. All of it comes from indirect data. So let's be clear. Most of what we know about the Earth's interior is based on calculations. Could we be wrong? Yes. In some details, absolutely. But one thing is certain. The Earth's core generates its magnetic field. And without that magnetic field, radiation from the sun would strip away the atmosphere, and Earth would not be habitable today. So something we've never seen is protecting our lives. And if that core ever stops, the Earth stops with it. We can't see the inside of the Earth,